Butler, and I'm going to first talk about the guidelines I put. For number 1, I put never back down. I said this because when Mulch and Butler interact, Mulch blows Butler into the wall, and then when Butler is about to be killed by the troll, he fights back. I said protect loved ones for the second one. By that I mean protecting Juliet and Artemis. Artemis is number 1 priority, and Artemis is number two. And for the third one, I have do what has to be done. I said this because Butler, he does whatever Artemis says to do, so he follows it. For the conflict I chose was between Butler and Artemis, and they are in Ho Chi Minh City talking to Yen, and Artemis calls Butler like a servant type of Butler, so I think Butler felt like he was useless then. For the climax I chose was for when Holly put Juliet under the mesmer, because that's when Butler has to take more care of Juliet. And for my take-home message, I said leave anything or anyone for a loved one. That's when Butler is telling Artemis that he has to go save his sister. For the theme that I chose, I said adult to child, because maybe sometimes I talk like an adult to people, and I find out that one of my family members is ill or something, then I remember like memories from childhood.